Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini usubscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. EPhalamende-ke kade kune-debate-ke lapho-ke umholi we-National Coloured Congress uFediel Adams ekhwele wadilika kumongameli uCyril Ramaphosa emsola ngokuthi kungani engamrecognizanga uformer president uJacob Zuma ePhalamende kodwa wakwazi ukurecognize umongameli wobandlululo de Klerk, nalapho ambuze khona ukuthi ngabe le mali eyadiphozithwa kwiPhalaphala iyona yini eyathenga inkululeko yabantu abahlwempu na? Nalapho futhi ambuze khona ukuthi kungani laba bantu ababebhizi behamba phambili ngalento yePhalaphala manje sebethule engathi ayikazi ibe khona kodwa esihamba phambili ile ye-VBS. Kodwa-ke angagiqi amagula, awuzizweleke umholi we-NCC ezikhulumela ngokwakhe kule msindo olandelayo.
House Chair, Mr. President, Honorable Deputy President, honorable members. House Chair, I just need to put it on the record that I find it deplorable that this House cannot recognize a former president of this country, but it was willing to recognize an apartheid president in F.W. de Klerk. If former President Jacob Zuma is still here, welcome, sir. House Chair, I want to ask that you listen. You might just learn something. You know, Mr. President, I listened to your speech last night, and it wasn't a terrible speech. But I've heard 6 of them before, and the outcome has always been the same. Another year of nothingness. Mr. President, as I speak to you now, it is raining in Cape Town, and it is raining bullets on the Cape Flats, and no plan has been put forward to save the long-suffering colored child. Mr. President, I'm going to say to you today that when you were speaking last night, the cheer from the right wing was so loud, I could have sworn Verwoerd was standing in the front here. But, Mr. President, listen when I tell you, Graça Machel says, the day my oppressor applauds me, know that I've betrayed you. Mr. President, the NCC is here to ask a question. Has Solomon Mahlangu been betrayed by you and what purports to be an ANC? Has the memory of Ashley Creel been betrayed by you and what purports to be an ANC? Mr. President, the ANC is no more. Mr. President, it is interesting to hear the white supremacists raise the issue of VBS as if Phala never happened. It is interesting, Mr. President, that Phala is being swept under the rug by the same people who brought it up. Mr. President, the NCC has the national question. It is not the colored question. Was Phala's money the deposit for the sale of the poor's rights in South Africa? Minister Mackenzie, my brother, my brew, you have lauded the president for bringing the colored question. Why has it taken this man 6 years? Why are our people still dying? Mr. President, your fine speech, it offers no warmth to those feeling cold today. Your fine speech, it does not put away the pains of hunger suffered by millions of our people, induced by the Democratic Alliance and their predecessor, the National Party. To the government of national unity, let me give you a message. We shall overcome. In spite of what you do, we shall overcome. Thank you.